If your Elantra's USB port won't charge your phone or play your music, you're not alone. But before you head to the mechanic, let's try a few simple fixes. First, check if it's just the cable. Try a different USB cable and see if that solves the problem. Sometimes it's as easy as swapping cables. Next, look for dirt or debris in the USB port. Use a flashlight and a toothpick or a can of air to gently clean it out. Never use metal tools. Just something soft to avoid damage. Still not working? Restart your car's audio system. Turn off your ignition, wait a minute, then start the car again. This can reset the system and fix minor bugs. If you're still stuck, check your car's fuse box. The USB port has its own fuse, and if it's blown, the port won't work. Your owner's manual will show you where to find the fuse. Replace it with one of the same rating if needed. And remember, if none of these steps work, it might be time to visit a certified mechanic, but most of the time it's a simple fix you can handle yourself. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick car fixes.